Uh, Good morning, everyone. This is Lab 3, Week 2 of um, um, the OPIS 2025, and we're gonna go more detail on the uh, observations and picture we took it on the beginning, and we're gonna start the different steps slowly, one by one, to see how we can approach to that. Before starting to that, John, if you wanna add something on it, just please feel free. And also feel free, depend on the duration of the presentation. If anything that you needed to add something, just feel free, interrupt me as needed.
Yeah, and this one will probably go pretty quick today. And it's good to go ahead and it's good to open Skynet and get that ready. So I say, Mohammed, as we're going into this, because we
Yeah,
can do
yeah.
this throughout the
It's
session.
ready. I'm ready now. Yeah.
Awesome. Other than that, this is a lot of fun because we're starting getting into what I feel like you're an astrophysicist now as we start to do this and we start to analyze things and draw the lines and see the moons going around. Because it's fun getting into the history and kind of be part of the history ourselves as we do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to open the Stellarium also at the same time to make sure that we have it ready if we need it. Skynet, Stellarium, and WebAssign is the one that we needed to have ready for the this session.
Yeah. And Stellarium, like we know this, if we open the app on your computer rather than do the browser, the app is a lot better. I know for me, like with the PC and Mac are both different in that they are, how do you get out of the full screen is a little trickier, but I think we're all finding it goes full screen right off the bat. For a Mac, I can take my mouse to the top and it gives me an option to hit the green button and it reduces it down. Now on a PC, it was different. And boss, you were showing me how to do that. It's a nice little button at the bottom.
I'm
And
going to just go open up and share it with you. I think that's the first one that is important because Mohammed, you have Windows or Apple in your
Windows.
okay. Therefore, that's Windows is a little bit tricky. Therefore, I gonna show how it works. Then hopefully
yeah,
this one. Yeah. Okay. Let me open up the screen again, share with you. And here, okay.
good. I could share too if I got it ready if you want me to. Oh, you got it. It's coming up.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Here, when you start, let me show it to you, extended version that you had it here. Okay, let me see it. As you see it, the Stellarium in my page. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Here, when you open it, it is gonna be like this. It is a
Yeah.
full screen. And you see on the bottom left, there is a one arrow like this exists. Do you see it on the bottom left?
Bottom left. Yes.
Uh, Here you see two small arrow within that big arrow exists, black arrows. You have
Uh,
to, do
sorry,
you
is
see
it a
it?
Stellarium?
Yeah, Stellarium on the app, on the not web, on the app, on the one. Did you download it in your computer or no?
Yeah, yeah. It's open now.
Yeah, when you see it upper down lower left, there is an arrow. You see it at the corner of the lower left. Do you see it?
Wait a second.
Lower left, the bottom corner on the left side
Yeah,
of the screen.
it won't appear until you
You
move your
you
mouse
don't
to
see
the
it
bottom of the
unless you
top.
bring you don't see it unless you bring your mouse close to that bottom corner. You have to
Yeah.
do it your mouse when you bring it down. You see a big arrow, gray arrow. And inside the gray arrow, there is a black small arrow. You see it. Two small
Uh,
black.
I don't know why my Stellarium is.
I think here you have to find those black arrows and just click it on both of them.
Hold on a second again. Okay, and
Let me do it from the beginning. I open the Stellarium. When you open
yeah.
it, it's gonna be show entire screen.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. No, I'm okay now. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then I will share it again. Here you see it when you open it, it occupy all the screen, and
Yeah.
it does not become small. The
Yeah.
only thing that you need to do, you go with your mouse to the bottom left corner of the
Oh, yeah,
screen.
yeah. Okay.
You see a gray arrow over there
Yeah. Yeah.
that has a two small black arrows.
Yeah.
Click on that two small big arrows.
Uh, yeah. This is like a kind of where two arrows, right?
Yeah, a small black arrow. You see it as
Yeah,
you
I
see it in
click it.
my.
Nothing happened. Yeah, I
Yeah, I
click
know,
it.
but you click it first. This is the first step. Next
Yeah.
step, next step you should do, you have to make sure that when you click it, that small arrows, it's very hard to see it with your eyes.
Yeah, it
But
becomes
it
like a
is become
square.
a square, exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you come here, you see there is a arrow here, Windows, full window,
Yeah.
screen mode. You click
Yeah.
on that. When you click on that, the screen becomes smaller.
Yeah.
Then it is helpful because if you don't do that, you cannot compare the results with the one that you have it in the Skynet. And this is
Yeah.
very hard to get it, but by this way, you can easily maneuver and you can enlarge it and what to call it, make it
Yeah.
smaller as needed. For
That's it.
example, it's better to make it half a screen like this
Yeah.
to put it on side for now to make
Okay.
sure that later on we go ahead. This is the first step.
Sure.
How we can
Okay.
make it the stellarium smaller on the
I
size.
did. Yeah. I did.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Then we go back to the Skynet that we had it here.
Hmm.
Skynet, for example, uh, on the procedure for the observation, I just go one more time briefly. When you start the observation, for that purpose, you just put a new observation. For example, you put
Okay.
Jupiter.
New observation. Okay.
Yeah, let me go back
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. The same.
Here,
Yeah. I'm there. I'm
here,
there.
here. Add a new observation. When you click on new observation, he asks
Yeah.
what target you want to look through it. You just
Yeah.
say Jupiter,
Okay. Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay. Yeah. And then
and then
search.
search, and then
Okay.
it highlights you on the screen.
Yeah.
Here you see it here,
Same.
and then
Yes.
you put the name for the target. For example, you said
Mm.
Jupiter moons.
Jupiter moons.
Make it March 2025, and you put your
Um,
whatever initial name for what if you need it. Because the reason is that when you take up these pictures, this is gonna go inside the Skynet cloud
yeah.
storage, and this whatever I do or you do or John does or anybody
Mhm.
else that has access to Skynet, gonna go to the archive of the Skynet and everybody can access it.
Okay.
This is a, and you can access it yourself also. You put
Sure.
your initial, for example, I put my initial here,
Yeah, I did.
and then you come here, you see how many telescope you can see it at the bottom. You
At the
see, you see three or four or five
five. Five.
telescopes.
Yeah.
But I recommend to you just bring here and make a target elevation a little bit lower, like 15 degrees. Make it
Okay.
15 degree. This 15 degree, when you make it, you see the line, the gray line become originally was here. It become here. Therefore, there is a good chance to take more pictures on more longer. For example, for this blue one that is located on HSC
Yeah.
or the other
Boss,
ones that is
you're
from,
not
yeah, go ahead.
sharing right now. You're not sharing your screen, just so you know.
Oh, I don't share it. Okay, let me
No. Okay.
stop. Stop. Thank you.
Yeah, I have only five telescope now.
Okay, right now, hopefully you see it right now.
Yeah, I see. I see. Yeah.
Okay, right now, therefore, thank you, John. You helped me, you survived me. You made my day. Okay, here make it minimum target elevation 15.
Yeah.
Originally, automatically is 30, but
Yeah.
because when you have 30, you have let me see it again. 30. When you make it 30, you have to click it to make it active. Oh no, not become. Okay, you have to shift it. Sometimes you see the gray line. Gray line
Yeah.
shows the elevation that the observation gonna be whatever above this line gonna be observable. Therefore, for
Yeah.
example, this telescope gonna be observed around 1 hour, 2 hours. This one is around the two. You see between this vertical line, each of them
Hmm.
is 2 hours.
Yeah.
Therefore, the chance of the observation is 2 hours and taking the picture. When you're
Yeah.
making this one 15, you just make a tab to go to the next page. Then this line, gray line, become lower. Therefore,
Yeah.
the chance of the observation become higher. It's gonna be around
Yeah.
4 hours. Four
Right.
hours. Therefore, there is more chance to take a picture when you lower it down this one. But you
Hmm.
cannot make it zero because zero on the horizon, there might be some kind
Yeah.
of problems, aberration or atmospheric problems. Normally 10 or 15 degrees better or higher is better. But
Sure.
to make a chance to get a good observation, you can try with the lower one. Or default is 30, but you can make it 20 or 15 or 12 also as needed.
Yeah.
Therefore, on here, you just specify the target. We go to the filter.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Where should I go to filter? Oh,
You
after
have to,
that, save.
yeah, you have to click on the, you see it here at the bottom.
Yeah.
You
Save. Yeah. Okay.
save and close, choose the
Yeah.
filter.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Then
Okay.
you are here on the target. You come on
Yeah.
this page is for the specifying the filters.
Sure.
The filters is specify on the uh, what they call it is in the uh, web assign. On the web assign, if you open the web assign
Web assign. Okay.
on the lab 3,
Lab 3. Okay.
when you go down for the there is a table here. It's specified for Jupiter what
Mhm.
filter you're gonna use and exposure duration what should be. You see
Sorry,
it?
in lab 3, which tab should I open? Procedure A?
No, you go down there. It's gonna be procedure B. Procedure A.
Procedure.
A.
Okay, procedure A. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, there is a table. Yeah, I got the table. Yeah,
For you remember here, the filter gonna be
yeah.
V and
V and yeah,
duration 0.03.
correct.
Okay, then you back to the Skynet
Yeah,
and
yeah.
choose which filter you're gonna choose.
V is like in the Johnson V, right?
Cousins, yeah. Johnson Cousins, yes, correct.
Yeah, Johnson
Therefore,
cousin.
you just select the V and you don't worry about any others. Just
Okay.
come to the
Save
bottom
it,
and
right?
save and continue.
Okay, save.
And
Okay,
you
yes.
and you reach to the page that is you specify the
Yeah,
telescope.
the same page I have. Yeah,
Yeah, the telescope. Then
sure.
here you can click all of them. You just click all
Hmm.
of them that is
All of
exist.
them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go to the bottom of the page and save and continue.
Okay. Yeah, I select all of them, save, continue. Yeah.
And here on the top of the page, always you have to go and go based on the generic 16 inch.
Okay.
You select this generic 16 inch,
Generic. Okay.
and then here number of the exposure. How many
Yeah.
picture you wanna take? One.
14, I think you said
Yeah,
14 you
yeah.
have.
But here we have to specify one, and we
Yeah.
specify 14 somewhere else.
Okay. One here, duration
0.03.
0.03, right?
Yeah. This is
0.03. Okay. Yeah.
And as you see it here, this is all listed all the telescope that you have available. Here,
Hmm.
when you
Yes.
when you go different telescope, the duration automatically changed by the Skynet. You don't have to worry.
Hmm.
Only things
Okay.
that you need to specify 0.03 based on
Hmm.
the generic 16 inch.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
Then you see one of them become red. The reason is that
No.
there is a problem for this, but you don't have to worry about that. The Skynet gonna take care of it.
Yeah, there is none of them was red.
Yeah,
I have
you specify.
prompt 5, but I don't have prompt 6 because my location I have less telescope than yours. Yeah.
Did you select all the telescope or no?
No, can I go back?
Yeah, you
Maybe
can go back. Click on the telescope, go back.
and click on the which telescope? Okay,
Yeah,
go
here
back.
on the top, click on this telescope.
No, I'm in this page right now. Oh, okay, telescope. Okay, yeah, and then yeah. Okay, I think I forgot one of them.
Okay, you just didn't click this one.
And
This one. Select all the telescopes.
yeah, I select all the telescope. Hold on a second. Telescope. I don't have prompt 6 here.
Okay, probably that is automatically in your computer. It become inactive because of the problem that it has. Because if we look through the uh, kind of telescope live, if we check here,
Mm.
telescope live, prompt
Teles
6, let me see, prompt 6. Here it is kind of during the operation, but
mhm.
probably it's not available for some reason.
Sorry,
I
I
don't
have
know.
to go to telescope live. Where is that?
No. This is the one you don't have to go there. The
Mm.
one that I ask of here, for example, when you had Jupiter, when you specify Jupiter.
Well, hold on a second. Yeah, we got some of this. Yeah, I got more telescope right now, but I don't have prompt 6 because your telescope showing mine is don't have those too many telescope, right? The same as yours. Mine is only 5 telescope shows here in my area.
I don't know why it is the reason. I have to ask Dan about that. But anyway, that's the kind of things normally when you do that, it's gonna show
Mhm.
you for all of you the telescope that you needed. Here you just specify one,
And then
0.03.
0.03. Yeah, I don't have. Yeah, my telescope increased 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 telescope, but I don't have prompt 6.
I don't know why it is the case. I have to ask
Mm-hmm.
from the Dan to see what's the reason. But anyway, at least you have
Yeah.
few telescopes available. That's good.
Yeah.
And then for that 14, you have to specify here. There is on the bottom,
Mhm.
there is an
Yeah.
option. They call it repeat. Repeat
Yeah. Okay.
observation. Here you
Okay.
specify 14
14.
and you
Okay.
say at least 1 days between each. It means that
1 day. Okay.
when you take a picture, you have you don't have to take pictures back to back in 1 day because it doesn't show the orbit of the moon. You have
Oh,
to have
sure.
at least 1 day apart to show the orbit.
Sure. Okay.
Then when
Mhm.
you specify that 14 and 1, you don't have to worry about any other thing, but make sure that these items are
Yeah.
specified.
Yeah.
Sequential filter, yes,
Yeah.
and continue to the next available telescope.
Yeah.
Sometimes those are not active due to some reason, but make sure that these two are also active.
Okay. Yes.
And then save and continue and
Mm-hmm.
review here. Make sure
Okay.
that review the name that you assign it for yourself
Mm-hmm.
and the telescope that is available. Yours, mine is about 8 or 9, but yours might be different.
Yeah, mine is less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 8.
Okay, here, that's 8 is good. Here, you just make sure that you have
Yeah.
V1X
Yeah.
0.3 and repeat is 14 times uh, uh, between one day between each. That
Sure.
helps. The reason that helps, the reason is that you don't need it to do 14 times repeated again. But this one provide Skynet provide for you automatically
Mm.
program it in a way that he get to a 14 picture for you.
Okay.
Then when you see this one and you see 14 credit gonna be cost of this picture, and when you
Mm-hmm.
think everything is okay, click on the submit.
Okay. Submit.
Okay, when you submit,
Yeah.
when you go back to the My Observatory,
Yeah.
You see here,
yes,
the one thing is active, but
yeah,
nothing on the front of it.
right.
It's gonna be only active.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
when in the next hours or so, when it takes picture, it's gonna identify for you. For example, as you
Mhm,
see it in my screen, it shows
mhm.
7 of 14.
Yeah,
Why it is 7 of the 14? Because I asked for 14, but only in the last week it took me about 7 pictures so
yes.
far.
Mhm. Okay.
Therefore, if you click on that, for example, you don't see it, but because it doesn't get any picture. But
Yeah,
when in next day or so, when you come here again, you see the pictures here.
yes. And now I went to this page. I have to go back to the other page, or?
No, no, no. You don't have to. You have to wait till your pictures become ready.
Okay.
You may need it, but you have to check every day. Check it to see how many pictures are ready. If the pictures are good, and you get the result on that. This is
Okay.
the kind of first step to how to review the how to make your pictures ready for you.
Mhm,
And the next step that we have to see, we have to get some measurements of the picture that you have.
mhm.
Any questions so far?
No, thank you so much. No, it's very good. I just understand. But right now, I don't have any right now. Then I have to
But
wait.
yeah, you have to wait to get at least 5 or 6 or 4 or 5 pictures taking. But if you have it,
Mhm.
each of the pictures is taking, you have to follow the procedure that I'm explaining in a
Okay.
bit for
Yeah,
you.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And those will, as soon as those are available, you'll be able to look at them. So even if all 14 aren't done, if 2 or 3 are done, it'll show you those 2 or 3. Now, do you
Mhm.
have a Jupiter image from before that you'd taken
Yeah,
from
I have some. Yeah, I have one image. Yes.
so what we can do is let's open up that Jupiter image you have, and a boss can kind of we'll go through how to take the measurements off of that.
Okay. How I have to go to my
Yeah, I
observatory,
will
right?
tell you here. In here in the Skynet, you click
Right.
Open Afterglow.
Oh,
You see
open
Open After,
afterglow. Yes, 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 yes.
and when you do Open Afterglow, you say login via Skynet.
Oh, okay. The same as Skynet, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
login as a
login.
Skynet.
No, it says sign in. Oh,
No,
yeah, login.
under
Yeah,
the
yeah,
signing,
yeah, yeah. Okay,
under the signing, there is a login with the
sure.
Skynet.
I have only one Jupiter, and then I open it. Okay, I got it. Now I see the Jupiter now.
Okay, good. Here, if you have the observation is ready on the left side, that's good.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
don't have it, you have to go here,
No, I
click
have
on.
it. I
Okay,
have
good.
one. One I have. Yeah.
Yeah, but my point is that when the new pictures is coming, the new
Yeah.
picture that I'm explaining it in this
Sure.
session, you
Yeah.
have to click on this open the file and
I'll
come to
open
the
the file.
Skynet. Um,
Okay. Yes, I'm there. Yeah.
yeah, open the file, then come to
And
the Skynet robotic telescope and the user observation. It means
I.
yours. And you have all the pictures that you have it here. Probably you take many pictures, but you don't upload
Yeah.
it yet.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have
Okay.
to
Okay.
upload
Now
it.
I. Okay.
When you say it here, Jupiter or something else, you click it and you see all of the
Yeah.
Jupiters are here.
Now I have this file, all of them.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay. Now I can for next step. What's the next step?
Next step, I will tell you here. When you come
Sure.
here, for example, this is the one that I take at Jupiter moons. When
Yes.
you come here, you just click on that. And
No, I have
it's
mine doesn't have show, I think is
no, you
okay.
don't have it because you
Sure.
submitted picture right now. But
Yeah.
when this picture is ready,
Sure, sure. Understand.
you
Okay.
will click on the
Review.
reduce images
Okay.
and you just upload here. You come up and just select all of them and
Select all
download.
of them.
Yeah,
Oh, all of them?
yeah,
Okay.
all of them. When you have
Mm.
all of them, when you're ready, you
Okay.
just download it,
Download it. Download it. Okay.
or you just click it or open it. You can
No,
download
I
it, you can
I
open it.
download it now.
download it, bring it to your computer, but you can
Okay.
open it. For the
Okay.
getting the afterglow, you have to open it.
Okay, to double click it, you mean?
No, open here, down the right,
Oh,
left.
don't open. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
It takes
Oh,
time.
yeah,
It takes
there's
time.
3 moon there. Yeah, I have a 3 moon. How come before I didn't have 3 moon?
Yeah, because that's dependent on here. For example, I will go step by step. For example, here,
Sure.
when you click in one of them, you don't see it anything. If you don't see it, you have to zoom in the feet.
Mm.
And here you see
No, I have
only,
a, no, I have a, if you can share my picture, I
yeah,
have a, can I
I
share?
stop it and you share. Yeah, I stop, you share.
Okay, share my window.
Yeah, perfect. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I have this image right now. Is that correct? Do you see the
I see it, but this is the file that demo you create, demo inside the Skynet. Go to the upper left, upper left.
upper? No,
No,
you
no, no,
don't
here.
see the page.
No, no,
Upper.
I see that. I see that. Go to
Okay.
the go to the upper left of the Afterglow workbench. You see
Okay.
Afterglow workbench? Open,
Afterglow
yeah, open,
work.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Underneath,
Okay.
underneath, come here.
Yeah, the
Underneath.
file you mean open
Yeah, yeah,
file?
open the file, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Go to the user observation. Oh,
Um,
you already, okay, that's good. This is your observation. That's good.
yeah. Yeah.
Cancel it. Cancel upper, lower left. Cancel it.
Cancel. Yeah.
Okay, good. Then in here, you can come and click on the bright target on the right side.
Okay.
Bright target, bright target.
Bright. What is this? The right
Right.
side, right? Oh, bright target. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you see only Jupiter.
Only
Then
Jupiter.
click on the default default on the middle. Then
Hmm.
you see the moons.
Yeah. Is
Okay.
that real?
Yeah, yeah, that's real.
That's
Okay.
good.
That's a good. Then I will show you how to get the measurement based on the picture that we
Okay.
have.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, let me share mine. I will show you the step
Okay.
on this.
I stop sharing. Yeah. Then till now I'm okay. You mean that I'm fine till now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, but you know the new picture, the new set of the picture that you asked, 14 of them, we need it for lab 3. The one
Okay.
that you have it from lab 1, but
Yes.
we needed this one for the lab 3
Okay.
to measure the size of the uh, orbit of the Jupiter moons.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, the
Excuse
step,
me. The
yeah,
target is what? What the final target we should do in lab 3? Like is kind of measurement of the
yeah, yeah, I
distance.
gonna show you right now.
Okay. Sure.
And the first, the one that we discussed from the beginning of the section, we show how to take a pictures, 14 pictures, but we're gonna tell you here, for example,
Mhm.
my pictures, about 5 of them is ready. I open up here. For example,
Mhm.
this is one, this is the second one, this is the third one. You see when I click all of them, the Jupiter moons are different locations
Yes.
as they are moved.
Yes.
You see, this one is different than this one and this one. This one probably it's only I see one moon. Here I
Yeah.
see 3 moon. Here I see three, four moon, different
Mhm.
location. And
Mhm.
based on this, we have to do some measurement on each of them.
Yeah.
Okay. The thing that we needed to do, we have to make sure that align the saturation. For
Uh-huh.
example, if I come here, let me on here on the saturation. In here, you just play with the saturation level here to make sure you have a good picture on the here that has less
Okay.
noise. For example, here,
Oh, you mean that you reduce it?
yeah,
Okay,
Like,
you just yeah. If I reduce it, the moon is gone right now.
yeah, but you have to just make sure that all moons are available.
Yeah,
Reduce
okay,
it
yeah, yeah.
anyway. You have
Yeah, I'm
to,
right now, yeah, all three are available now.
okay, right now. Then you have to go here on the eye information that you had here. Click
Oh
on the
yeah,
eye.
okay, okay.
In here,
Yeah.
you needed to focus on two things. One
Mm-hmm.
is the Julian day. One
Oh,
is the
Julian.
center day, JD, whatever center JD.
Okay, Center JD. Okay.
Uh, this one is the, and for that purpose, you have to open up the Excel file. Do you see the Excel file that I have?
Yes. Yeah.
On this Excel file, I created this one because when you're getting the information from the web Skynet, you have
Mm-hmm.
to create an Excel file here, all the information. For example, you're going to
Sure.
have 14 observation. For
Yeah.
each observation, you're going to have Julian day and
Mm-hmm.
separation. I'm going to show you how to get it.
Okay.
Julian day,
Yeah.
you have to come in here.
Yeah.
Here,
Come to
you
the
just,
Center JD. Yeah.
yeah, copy the numerical only. Copy the numerical and
Uh-huh.
paste it here.
Okay. But the Excel file I don't have available right now, but
Yeah, but you needed
I do
to
it
create
later. Yeah.
later on.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
you click on here, you copy the
Mm-hmm.
what you
Sure.
call it, the Julian day accordingly as needed.
Yeah.
And then for the separation
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna do like this. Here, uh, I don't know. I have to select one of the uh, moons. For example, on the
Mm-hmm.
Jupiter, we said we choose the Ganymede. Okay, then we
Mm-hmm.
have
Yeah.
to come here and first we have to see what time of the
Oh.
year was the observation.
Mm-hmm.
Observation was happened on the March
Okay.
2025,
Oh,
12,
okay.
27 minutes.
But no, I
Therefore,
don't know the name of the moon.
I know Ganymede, Ganymede. We have to find out.
Ganymede? Okay,
Yeah.
Ganymede. Okay.
Here you see the Ganymede.
Oh, yeah, Ganymede. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So Jupiter has usually like 3 to 5 moons we can see, or 4 or 5 we'll see every day.
Okay, I can find out by Google.
And we're just going to find one of those by using Stellarium and matching the time to
Sure.
allow us to figure out which one we're looking at.
Okay, matching
Pretty
time.
quick.
Okay. Yeah.
Stellarium won't be exact, just so you know, but it'll be close to
Sure.
what.
And now go to Stellarium now. Okay.
Yeah. On the
You go
Stellarium,
to
first thing
Stellarium.
you have to specify to make sure that your time is matched with the UTC or
Yeah.
Greenwich time.
Mhm.
Here you see what the date, what the time zone we see it here
Hold on a second.
on the
Time.
screen that I am sharing.
American Toronto, they said. American
Okay, then
Toronto.
you have to go to the UTC
Yeah.
with the scroll bar.
Yeah. Oh, but
You
doesn't go.
find,
No.
you see
I
here
have
arrow. You see the arrow here on the screen?
UTC. Arrow not working. Hold on a second. Oh, because hold on a second. Delete. And then arrow not working.
Is that you see the clicks? These 3 clicks
Oh
are.
yeah. Okay, I click the first one. Okay, now working. Okay, yeah. And then I go to all the way down.
To UTC 00 plus 000.
UTC, hold on a second. Oh, okay. UTC plus 0, all 40.
All 40.
UTC. Okay, UTC plus, right? Plus
Yeah,
0.
plus, yeah. Either plus
Okay.
or minus the
Okay.
40, both
Okay,
of them
sure.
same.
Yeah,
Then
okay.
the reason is that all the observation that Skynet is based on the GMT 0. It means that
Okay.
Greenwich or UTC,
Okay.
GMT and UTC are the same.
The same.
It means that
Okay.
Greenwich Observatory time zone.
Yeah.
Then you come here, when you specify time zone, you close this. and you go to the time. What time
Okay.
of the observation is?
Okay.
You have to
The time,
open
I
this.
put the time there, yeah.
Yeah, you have to open the Skynet and the Stellarium side by side. Because of
Oh,
that,
okay.
I make it smaller to see it closely.
The time was okay, 13:58, 02-09, like February 9th,
Okay, you have to change it here to
February
yours
9,
is
okay.
February, is mine is the for example,
Yeah,
12 of
right.
the 12 of the
Okay,
March.
then 13:58, 13:58 and 57 second.
Yeah, second is not important. Just you specify
Yeah.
the time. Then
Okay.
after you specify the time, you go
Yeah.
what object you want to see, Ganymede or Jupiter.
Okay.
You go here, search Ganymede or Jupiter,
Ganymede. Okay, hold on.
and when you click it, it's gonna show you the on the screen.
Ganymede, right? Ganymede.
Yeah,
Is it? Oh, G.
Ganymede.
Oh, YME. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay, Ganymede. Yeah.
Okay, here
Is it?
on the picture that I have it, I see it here. Yours might be different place.
Yeah, I found it. Yeah, Ganymede. Yeah. Ah.
Okay, then
Mhm.
then you have to make sure that you see it, the location of the Ganymede compared to the Jupiter. Then you come to see
Mhm.
in your picture.
But sorry,
Let me.
in my place, I don't have Jupiter and moons. I just have Ganymede.
But
I just
you
zoom it.
have to zoom it out. You
Oh,
make sure
zoom
that you
out.
see it. You see it both of them together.
Oh, both together. How should I do that? Because
You have to use with your mouse. You zoom it in or zoom it out, or
uh,
bring like this. You see it on the screen.
mm, yeah, but it's move a lot and it's moving.
Yeah, you have to play with your mouse in a way that you zoom it on and zoom it in on the
If,
screen.
I know,
if you go to
but
your
the
search,
Jupiter go out of this Windows.
if you go to the search and put Jupiter in for your search item, Stellarium will lock on it. And I always have to do that too to keep it from scrolling off the screen.
Yeah, it's moving. It's just
Yeah. So in Stellarium, just hit your search button. It's on the left. It's the one that looks like the looking glass. And type in Jupiter there, and
I'll
that
type
will
in
allow you
Jupiter.
to lock on it, and it'll stop sliding across your screen then.
Okay, I think I have to say Jupiter, right?
Jupiter,
Jupiter, because it's Jupiter, just Jupiter, right?
just
No,
Jupiter.
okay. Now it's fine. Yeah, you're right. Now I have both the Ganymede and Jupiter together.
Right now in my picture, as you see it on the screen, Ganymede on the bottom of the compared to the Jupiter is located at the bottom. But
Hmm.
I have to see where is located in my uh, picture that I took in on Afterglow.
Oh, okay.
I don't see it here, but I have to play with the kind of saturation level to see it. For
Then
example,
how should I know which one is Ganymede in my picture?
yeah, that's the when you have to look through with the Afterglow versus the Stellarium. For example, this is a Stellarium in my
Hmm.
screen.
Yeah,
This is I don't see it here. Therefore, I have to come here. You see, I see another moon, Callisto, in
yeah.
upper left. But in here, I don't see it. Therefore, I have to rotate it. For example,
No,
rotate it like this.
hmm,
This is, you see the rotation
no. How should I?
on
Oh, yeah,
Afterglow.
rotate. Okay.
You have to go to the first tag in here,
Hold on a
upper
second. Okay.
right.
How can I close this? Okay. Upper right. Upper right. Okay, rotate. Yeah. Okay, but now I can rotate it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, then right now you see it, for example, it's not exactly match with the one that you see it on the screen, but
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna be, see, one moon is far away and two
Mm-hmm.
moons are very side. Yours might be different. But
Mm.
anyway, in here
No,
you
mine
have
is
to,
different. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
All three are together.
You have to see, you have to bring it the saturation level in a way that you see it very closely, you find out.
Okay.
You see here, I
Okay,
will
yeah, yeah.
see
I
it right
see
now.
that two of them are more bright than the other one. The
Yeah,
two, like, yeah.
you have to find it the corresponding positions as you see it my picture. You see
Mm-hmm.
it in here. This is a Jupiter and two moons underneath of the Jupiter here,
Mm-hmm.
exactly match with the one that you see it on the stellarium.
Oh, okay. Now
You
mine is
have
different. Yeah.
you have to make a correspondent, exact
Mm.
correspondent with the stellarium and Ganymede. Here, based on
Oh,
my observation here, the one that you see it on the bottom of the Jupiter, this is a Ganymede. And here,
okay.
which one is the Ganymede? Based on my picture, this is the
Oh,
one.
the first
Should
one.
be. Yeah.
Yeah, I think yeah, the closest one is Ganymede.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then in that is dependent on your picture and my picture is different. Therefore, you have to
Mhm.
compare it apple to apple. Whatever you see
Sure.
it on the afterglow and stellarium, you see it here.
Yeah, because okay, but a question is, in my Jupiter, I have a three dot I showed you. It
Yeah.
was almost in the one direction, like kind of like a all trees in one line, like. But in
Yeah.
the stellarium, two is the same, two first two, but the third one, okay, Castillo is underneath, it's the other direction.
If you can show me the picture, I will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Show
and
the
there will
screen.
be some.
Okay, hold on.
Stellarium won't be perfect. Stellarium's going to be off a little bit. I found the same thing, and they
yeah,
have to rotate it around, and it is what it is. Just try to make your best guess.
yeah.
Big thing
Do
is you
you,
want to get the
okay.
distances on these, so they're similar. It won't make a big difference.
Uh, yeah, do you see yeah, Stellarium shows like two here and Castillo is here at the bottom. But do you see the whole picture like this one?
Yeah,
And
let's do
here
that.
you see
See
two
it.
here, all three are here and the one direction. Like, see these two are the same as a Stellarium.
If you can show me the afterglow, I will tell you.
After, yeah. Do you see afterglow?
No, right now I see the Ganymede is a bit, Ganymede is between Europa and Jupiter. Show me your afterglow.
Yeah, after you don't see.
No, I don't see it. Share
Okay,
again.
We
okay,
need you to
share
click on
again.
it. So you can click on the Stellarium page or the Afterglow page. Click on it.
Uh, no, Stellarium. This is a Stellarium, right?
Yeah, this is a stellarium, but go back to the unshare and share it again.
Okay, stop share. And then share it again. And then share it again.
Okay, yeah. Here, did you make sure that the time is good on the stellarium? Go back. Right now, click on the eye on the upper right.
Okay,
Upper right.
yeah, maybe
Eye.
okay. It's
This is
sent.
the second of the 9 of the February, 13:58 time zone.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then if I go to a Stellarium, see the 2nd of February, right? Oh
yeah.
no, yeah, it's
Go to the
8.
stellarium. Go to the
Yeah,
stellarium.
yeah,
I will tell
yeah.
you.
Okay, hold on a second. Go to Stellarium, stop sharing. And yeah, I think yeah, it's somehow they change, right? You're
You
right.
have to specify the time. Go back to the
It
stellarium.
was the
Show me the
second of
show
February, 2nd of February, or
9 of the February.
9 of February,
9 of the
and
February,
then
13:58. Time is the 13:58.
okay.
You have to make sure that the time are
Uh,
exactly match. Otherwise, the comparison between the Jupiter and Moon gonna be impossible.
Yes.
to identify.
Okay. Now, then yeah. Then I share it again.
Yeah, share it again.
Yeah,
Stellarium.
share it again. Yeah.
Okay, and the Stellarium is it is right now 8 of the time is 8 of the make it 9.
9,
Okay,
13,
yeah,
58.
13. Right now is good. Yeah, it
And
is
then
almost the time. Go zoom it out. I don't see it. 50. I think 58, 13.
2024. Sorry, yeah, 24.
25. Make it 25.
25. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Jupiter, Europea,
Okay, therefore, the
Ganymede.
Ganymede is on the other side gonna be.
Yeah, yeah.
Therefore, neither of them is. Therefore,
It's not the same, not Abbas.
no, it is on the other side. Gonna be on the other side.
Other side.
You see the Europa and the Callisto on the right side and the
Yeah,
Ganymede on the left side.
on the
Go
left
back.
side.
Go back to the afterglow. I found out.
Mhm.
Go back to the
Go back to
afterglow.
afterglow. Okay. Go back to the afterglow and then share. Did I share it?
Yeah, here
Yeah,
you have to zoom it out to see it. These all three is not Ganymede. Go to the bottom, bottom.
bottom.
Just
Oh, yeah. Zoom
zoom
out.
it out, zoom out. Yeah, you don't see
Uh,
it. Probably the Ganymede is not taking in
oh,
your picture.
Ganymede in the other side, right? These are not
Yeah,
Ganymede, right?
no, no,
Yeah.
no. It's gonna be lower, but probably your picture doesn't take it the Ganymede.
Okay.
Try
Okay.
adjusting your rate if you go to the eyeball and then change the levels, it might pop out. It's hidden right now as it is, but it may be there.
Sorry, in the eye,
First one more up, the top one, the top
Oh,
right.
here. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and adjust your threshold. Just see if it isn't there somewhere.
Which one? Sorry.
Try default presets first to see what happens on that one in the middle.
Default preset.
We didn't pop out, did it?
Probably it is beyond the age of the telescope that you're taking, because
Oh,
it
okay.
has to show it if you zoom it out. But if you don't see it, probably Ganymede is very far away that take a
Okay,
picture.
but then we have to go with one of these, not Ganymede, right? Ganymede in the other side.
Yeah, but the
Well,
thing is that the picture that you're taking based on the previous lab one V and the exposure, but when you have probably you specify U on the lab one that you have it, but here on the lab 3 you have to specify filter V and exposure 0.03.
Okay.
Therefore, you cannot see it because the one that you have a picture you're taking from lab 1 that is not corresponding
Okay.
to lab 3, the
Sure.
picture that
No,
you
we
have
can
it.
go ahead, with the Ganymede that you have, then.
Yeah. Therefore, you just close your screen. I will show you because the one that lab 3, this is the one that you showed to me, the one that is related to lab 1.
Okay.
You may not able to see it.
Sorry, hold on a second.
and just so you know, Mohammed, I that's why we want 14 images. Some of my images I took, I'm not going to be able to use those days because the telescope put Jupiter on the side of the image. And so Ganymede may or may not be there in some of our images. Like if that happened to be one of your images, it just realized that day you just won't have any data. But of the 14, I haven't got all of them in yet, but most of them have Ganymede somewhere where I can find it. Just be aware that's not a big deal. If one day Ganymede's not on the screen, it's too far out. We just lost one day. You're still gonna be able to do what you need to do.
Okay.
Exactly. Thank you, John. And the reason is that you see this 14 of them, some of them may not be possible to do that. The reason is that, for example, if you see it on the screen, here might be the Ganymede is on the within the inside the disk of, or behind it. It might not be possible, but we have to check to see which one. Probably out of this 14, we may need it about 5 or 6 of them. We don't need it all of them, but we have to check one by one to see which one is available or which one is not. The one
Sure.
that the procedure that you can look through the recorded the things that I send it on the YouTube. You can look through it and find out. And if you need a question, just call me and we can have a arrangement for a specific time to go over your pictures when you is ready to do it.
Okay.
But normally you have to do it this way. For example, on the in here, you take the Julian date here, copy, and put it on Excel file here that I did it. And for the separation, the one procedure that you're gonna do is the one that they're gonna show you here. In here, you go to the this fourth one, show plotter. When you go to the show plotter,
to our information, right?
yeah, you show the plotter. You don't need to go right now, but you just see what I'm doing here.
Okay.
In here,
No, where is the show plotter? Sorry.
In the fourth one, on the upper right, on the afterglow.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Hide plotter or show plotter.
Yeah.
When you have it here, several items here is important. One is the centroid click. One the planet grid. First of all, you don't do any of them. You just click on the centroid.
Yeah.
And make sure that planet centroid is not checked. Only centroid click.
Only centroid.
Then you come to the moon, Ganymede, or whatever moon you choose it. You click. When you click it, you see that it is identified. But before you going to the next one, you come here and select the centroid of the planet also. You click.
Hold on. I click to the center of the Jupiter, right?
Yeah, it here first in the center of the moon, second on the center of the Jupiter.
Center of the Jupiter. Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
When you get this one, you get the separation. Here, for example, separation that I have, you have 3 lengths. One based on the pixel. I don't worry about the pixel. I don't worry about the arc minute. Only on the middle one, arc second.
Arc second. Okay. Yeah.
Then I click this one, arc second, and come back to the Excel file and copy and paste here.
Okay. Yeah, then, but I have to first make sure that this is Ganymede. Then.
Yeah. Ganymede or any others that
does
you
it matter?
Choose.
Other moon, maybe.
You can select the other moons. I select Ganymede, but you can select others.
Yeah, but I have to find out which one is which because it's only 3
exactly.
dots. You
have to select based on the comparison with the stellarium.
Oh, okay. Yes, sure. Understand.
Therefore, then when you get all of them, you will get all the data that you have it here. You do the same thing for all of them. For example, I have 5 pictures already.
Sure.
Then after I did it, this one, there is another program available. It called it Astromancer.
Astromancer. Okay. Is part of Skynet?
Yeah, it's part of the Skynet. I sent a link on the email that I sent it to you.
Yeah. Today, you sent the email today?
Yeah, every time that I send it,
okay.
Skymancer link is there.
Sure.
It's free. You have access. And the lab one, we just specify about the curve, but on here we specify the moon. That I think we are reaching on the top of the hours. I think we may continue the next step. After you collect all the data on the, what they call it, Excel file, we have to copy everything on here. But right now we are about 2 minutes to 8. I think we continue.
But not just copy paste all of them to Astromancer.
Exactly. For example, in here, when you do this one, copy, and I go to the Astromancer.
Yeah.
Paste, Control V.
Oh,
Control
yeah,
V.
separation control. Okay.
When
And
you
it
paste
shows
that,
the moon. Okay, yeah.
you paste that in. Try to make sure you don't have any units or any
Yes.
or words. Just
Very
the
nice.
numbers is all you want.
No, for sure I do that, but I can do that with my the one that I have. I can find out the plan and like the moon, and then do the and wait until I receive maybe the new picture.
Reason is that, for example, if you have one picture, only you're gonna see one point here. As you see it on the graph, you have to make sure that you have several
That is
points.
far
When you
several.
have several points, based on that several point, you can
Mhm.
measure the program itself going to calculate for you the period. For example, here for the Ganymede, I get the period 7.1 for day. But until you have 5 or 6 big line point, you cannot get the proper value for the orbit of the moon around the Jupiter. That's
Sure.
the reason that helps you to calculate the period and the kind of separation orbit, size of the orbit that we're gonna
Right.
explain on the next week.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're
Understand.
welcome.
This was so good. This perfect.
But you needed to work every day, and so if you spend about every day half a minute, half an hour, 30 minutes, gonna help
Yeah.
you a lot. But if
Sure.
you don't do that, it's gonna very hard to
That's right.
attain all the information.
Great. No, but I fully understood. Yeah.
Anything you wanna add, John, on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll look at this again if you have time, either Saturday morning or Sunday afternoon. We'll take another shot and kind of go through this again. So if you need to do
Okay.
that.
No, this Saturday usually, because I'm from on city, I'm going to Toronto sometimes. But this Saturday is 9 to 10, right? I can
Yeah.
come. Yeah, I can. I want to manage the come on Saturday as well. Yeah.
Now, the good news is you've got your observations started so that Jupiter
Yeah.
images will start coming
Sure.
in.
Yeah.
And after you do a couple of these, you start seeing what's happening. It gets pretty easy. It's just the same thing over and over.
Yeah. No,
It
I
just
managed to come on Saturday for sure. Yeah.
Awesome.
Saturday or Sunday 2 to 3. We have Sunday 2 to 3 as well.
Oh, okay. Oh, Saturday and 9 to 10 and Sunday 2 to 3.
9 to 10 Saturday and Sunday 2 to 3.
2 to 3, right? Okay.
And
No, I can.
you can look through the recorded one that on the YouTube. I sent the link
Yeah.
on the email as well. If you have a time, you can review it anytime in the day, in the week that you need it.
Yeah,
really
very good.
session
Very
on
good.
Sunday.
Thank you so much. I appreciate really.
You're welcome. Have a great evening,
Yeah.
and glad to see you.
Yeah.
John,
Have a
if
good
you need
weekend.
anything,
Have a good week. I can not today is Tuesday anyway.
thank you.
Thank
Have
you
a
so
good one.
much. Have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.